Start.
Hi friends, welcome back to Gowtham Chennaka YouTube channel. Today I'm going to open the welcome kit, the assets which is provided for me. So as you all know that I have started my career in car tech. So they given me the welcome kit and I'm going to open everything in front of you. I thought to show you everything. So here is the welcome kit and here is the asset. So they given the welcome kit, welcome to car tech. So when I joined to the company, they given this like 1 week before. So I'm opening this. This is the book which is given for me, The Power of Subconscious Mind. So it's very good book. Joseph Murthy, written by Joseph Murthy, and some note kind of book. You can note anything which is important like that. So one mouse is provided, and the chocolate box. Actually I ate something, so I kept it inside to show you. And one pen is also given, and inside that they given the mouse pad so that you can easily move your mouse by keeping on this, and the headset, so in which also you can see the car, and it is particularly from boat company, but they've written like car tech, like I'm working in car tech, they given this, so it is also fine. And then they given the bottle which shows the temperature. So right now in Chennai it is 28 degrees Celsius, so maybe the temperature inside the bottle it is showing. So this is what they given in goodies, like welcome kit. So one is like headset, overhead headset, and then mouse, some chocolates, and then one book, one subconscious mind book, some notebook, and everything they given, which is very nice. So here is the welcome kit. It's look very fine and it is very useful. So hope I will enjoy. I'm enjoying actually. So next thing, let me open my asset. So they given this back, so which is printed again Car Technologies, and it is from Lenovo. As you see, they given the Lenovo back, but let me check what is inside. Okay, so inside they given me the HP laptop. Okay, HP laptop. This is also fine. It's a ProBook. So this is how the laptop is, but they given me the car Lenovo bag, and including charges also there inside the charger, and they have included everything like my email and my company things, everything they included. So this is how the thing will be. So I'm opening by using my fingerprint. Actually I don't know why it is not working. Let me try. Yeah, now I need to try, I guess. Okay, I have set the pin 9381824445. So here is the lap, and you can see everything. So it's look very fine. Okay, this is the video about. So it looks pretty good. It is because it is 14.5-inch lap. I'm very much used to 15 plus inch lap, but it is 14.5. But it is fine. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Gautam Chennaka.